Chime's mobile check deposit lets you cash eligible checks, personal, payroll, government, instantly via app, no branch needed. Available after activating your Chime Visa debit card. Limits: $1,000 per day and $5,000 per 30 days for new users. Increases with direct deposits. Funds: up to $200 immediate. Rest in 1-5 days. Steps: endorse the check. Sign the back in ink. Write: for mobile deposit only to Chime account only below. Required for security. App may prompt. Open Chime app. Download update from App Store, John Google Play. Log in. Start deposit. Tap Move Money. Bottom menu. Deposit check or mobile check deposit. Enter details. Input amount. Select account. Checking. Savings. Capture photos. Place check on dark, clutter-free surface. App auto captures or manually photo front and back. Clear, well lit, aligned, no shadows. Review and submit. Verify info, timeline. Tap submit. Get confirmation. Track in transactions. Pending in gray, available in green.